Hi there, this is KHADER Electronics Made Easy. So a few days back I posted in my Facebook wall that if any of my friends had any electronic items which are dead or they want to get rid of those electronic items, then they can give those to me so that I can either try to repair it and use it, or I can recycle the parts inside the device to make something else useful. And a few of them have responded, and I got 2 bags of few electronic items which I'm going to show you now. So what I'll do is I'll make a video on how to either repair it, and if I cannot repair it, I'll show you what all parts I can salvage from that to make something else useful, or which I can use in my some other projects. And if possible, I'll also do a teardown video in which I'll show you what are the parts present inside that device. For example, a landline phone, I'll show you what are the parts present inside the landline phone. We'll try to make out what the different ICs functions are, and if possible we'll also see what is the block diagram of the operation. And so first starting with this one, and my friend Santoshi gave me few electronic items. I'll show you what. This is the one CFL bulb. It's a dead CFL bulb. So CFL bulbs are very good for recycling because starting from the cabinet, you can use this cabinet, and inside the circuit you can use there are many capacitors which you can use because they are rated at 250 volts, 400 volts, and usually you won't get that high rating voltage capacitors outside, and even if you get also, they are pretty costly. Similarly, we'll have diodes. We have toroid. Toroid is a very useful item which we can use in our projects like Joule Thief and mobile chargings to increase the voltage boosters. And similarly, we'll have a small capacitor. I'll make a separate video on what are the parts present inside this. And she also gave me an LED bulb. It's a small LED bulb. She told me it blinks red and blue, and I haven't tested. She told me it wasn't lighting up properly, so she just gave it to me. She gave me chargers, two mobile chargers. This is a working one, and she just had an extra one, so she gave it to me. And mobile chargers are very useful in our projects to to give us a 5 volts power supply. And similar, this is a second charger which is dead. And she also gave me this battery. It's a mobile battery. It's a dead battery actually. I placed it in a new cupboard. It's a Nokia battery, used battery. I'll see if I can bring this back to life, or at least use it in some project. And she also gave me headphones. She told me one of the speaker wasn't working, so what I can do is I can use the mic present in that. And she gave me a landline phone cable, so a DSL cable, and some video cables. This is the video cables, 3 pins. That's it. And the 9 volt battery. Yeah, and the 9 volt battery. I'll probably use the power using some future projects to use the Joule Thief to boost the voltage. This. And there's my second friend Sharda, who gave me 2 more components like this Apple USB cables. I have 3 of them, USB cables, and I don't have an Apple iPhone, so I cannot use them, but I'll try to repair them and probably sell it to someone at a much cheaper cost. She also gave me an Apple charger. I don't know if it's working or dead. I'm sure it will give me around, if it's working, it will give me around 5 volts output at 1 amp, I think. Yeah, it's 5 volts, 1 amp. And she gave me again 2 earphones. I'll probably use the speakers or mics inside. And she gave me a few AA batteries, Duracell. I can use the power inside them. And she also gave me a converter. It's not sure, it's just a plug converter. It converts this pin to this flat pin size. And yeah, she gave me one more thing. It's a kind of a toy. This toy looks funny, but inside there's a mechanical setup where if you pull the string, it will make beautiful music out of it. I'm sure if you can hear that. So happy birthday, music brother. Yeah, I'll try to give a good new casing for this. So that were all the parts I got in my recycle video, and this program I would like to call it e-cycle, so that I'll release a separate video series called e-cycle with a tag of e-cycle, and it will show teardown videos and repairing videos and probably salvaging the parts from dead electronic parts. So thank you for watching this video, and from my next video under e-cycle series I'll be releasing how to repair this LED bulb, and she told me it was very dim and almost dead, so I'll try to hack it to give it some fresh look and proper working. So thank you for watching this video.